So people are hesitant to use AI to write some of their sales copy or other business copy. Now, I, in this case, use Perplexity. I've used ChatGPT similarly, but in this case, I'm using Perplexity. And here's what I do to make sure that I maintain my brand voice so that it doesn't sound, well, I want it to sound like me, basically. So write 3 ads that attract early growth stage B2B SaaS founders to my service page. So what I want it to do and who I wanted to do it for, who's my ICP or my ideal customer profile. Now I give it a little coaching, maintain the brand voice found on the page, which is a pretty simple request. And the page is my services, my digital marketing services, my content creation and distribution services. So did a great job. Came back with 3 options. I won't read them all to you, but you can see right here, unleash your SaaS growth cyclone. On that page, I had a lot of discussion related to the storming of the market and the weather-related action adjectives. So that's all in there. And a second one, B2B SaaS founders, your growth forecast is changing, and the forecast for B2B SaaS explosive growth. So if you read the copy here, actually, it's quite impressive. And so what I like about Perplexity at the end too, it comes up with a few options. So keep exploring. How can I leverage AI to repurpose my legacy content? That's something that I offer on that page. What are the benefits of using video marketing in my B2B strategy? Also in there. And how does the content cycle ensure my content reaches engaged audiences? So Perplexity, nice. If you get a chance, give it a try.